Hello dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. Children, today we are going to revise lesson 8, that means the last lesson of this semester. Are you ready? Then take your textbook, notebook and rough book. Let's start the revision.
What is the name of that lesson? Yes, measurement. What is mean by measurement? Measuring things to find out their size or amount is known as measurement. To measure things exactly, we use standard units and instruments for measurement. Let's check what is the standard unit of length and the instruments used to measure length. Okay, then what is length? Length tells you how long an object is. We measure length using rulers and measuring taps. So what is the standard unit of length? Yes, meter is the standard unit of length. We measure smaller lengths in centimeters and longer length in kilometers. Weight. Weight tells you how heavy or light an object is. We measure weight with physical balance and electronic balance. Then what is the standard unit of weight? Yes, kilogram. We measure smaller weights in grams. Then the volume. Volume is the quantity or amount of substance that a vessel holds. We measure volume with measuring cylinders. The standard unit of volume is the liter. We measure smaller volumes in milliliters. Then the time. Time helps us to measure how long it takes for things to happen. We tell time using a clock or a watch. What is the standard unit of time? Yes, second. We also measure time in minutes and hours, and in days, weeks, months and years. Temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold a thing is. We measure temperature using a thermometer. We measure temperature in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit.
So children, we have completed the revision for lesson 8. So study this lesson. For the next class, I will conduct the class test. Okay. So read the textbook, study the notes and also go through the text exercises. This much for today. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, take care and goodbye.